Hi, this is Jai from Southwork Software Solutions Private Limited. Today we will discuss about servlets. Servlets introduction mainly. Here we know Java is very popular language for developing web applications. Servlets have very important role to develop web applications basing on HTTP protocol. HTTP means hypertext transfer protocol. Hypertext transfer protocol. Hypertext transfer protocol. Here, first we will look at the definition of servlets. Servlet is a Java program. Servlet is a Java class. Servlet is a Java class which can be executed at server system, right? So servlet is a Java class which can be executed at server system. We know that there are client server architecture. Here let us consider this is a client, and let us consider this is a server system. We know client can put the request. This one is nothing but simply request. This is request. And server can do the processing. Here server can do the processing. This is nothing but symbol for processing. And next, after processing, server can send response to the client. Here this is about response, right? Here this one is nothing but client. This is nothing but client system, and this is nothing but server system. This is nothing but simply server. Here in this communication mechanism, servlet can be executed at server system, right? After executing that server can send response to appropriate client only. This is the main paradigm. Here this is nothing but HTTP protocol. This is HTTP protocol. Through this HTTP protocol, client can send a request to the server. Server can execute one servlet Java class, and it will send response to the appropriate client only. This is nothing but client server architecture. Client server architecture, where heavy security is applicable for our code. Why? Because our code will be located at client only. Here application code will be located at server side. Don't forget it. Why? Because for providing security for our business logic, mainly that code must not be available for the client. In that cases, with this client server architecture mechanism, we are locating the server, we are locating the project code or application code at server system. This application code is maintaining by web server. This application code is maintaining by web server, right? Here we will continue the